Customer success is our success. I'd like to welcome new customers to our vibrant 7,500 plus customer community. We are humble that household brands like FedEx, Kroger, Lyft, and Vanguard trust Oracle Cloud ERP to support their finance and operations and define the future of work. Over the last 12 months, we have introduced over 1,700 new features, and they're being adopted rapidly, even as users continue to work remotely and distributed. We continue to listen to our customers deeply and understand their challenges broadly as we implement new ideas quarterly in a consumable manners. I'd like to highlight 3 key innovations today: touchless operations, continuous forecasting, and conversational experience. Touchless operations is key to financial close acceleration. Now, having the ability to be able to orchestrate the entire close process in the cloud, touchless, whether data are coming from external sources or subledgers into GL, into core consolidation, and into management reporting. This ensures that everyone has a crisp view of the close progression. Secondly, continuous forecasting, where integrated ERP and EPM solution enable financial accounting actual stream into predictive models continuously. Higher frequency, machine-generated predictions can complement human consensus and help you move quicker and faster as business assumptions shift and change. Lastly, conversational experience, where employee self-services like submitting expense reports and project time cards are made effortlessly inside Digital Assistant. Oracle Digital Assistant may also give you finance visibility into account reconciliations that may need your attention or close activities requiring timely approvals. In summary, we have invested in the future of finance vision and AI technologies for quite some time, and there are more innovations to come. Our customers already experience these benefits, and we believe these innovations are crucial to help finance teams free up resources and be able to shift from operational focus to becoming more strategic to support their CFOs leading company-wide digital transformation success.